second grade. Happy Wednesday. I'm going to be showing you what your math activity is going to be for today. You're going to want to head over to Seesaw to see your activity, and it's going to be called Shape Hunt, which you see right here. There are verbal instructions you'll want to listen to, and then you will want to read over the written instructions as well. So when you are ready, you're going to hit Add Response, and you will use the typing tool to type in 3 different things you see around the house that are each shape. So this includes 2-dimensional shapes and 3-dimensional shapes. I'm going to make this a little smaller and fit it right in my first rectangle. So the first shape will be a square, and for example, something that I have in my house that is a square is a picture frame. So you'll want to look around your house and find 3 different things for each shape to put in the box. So as you can see on the top row, we have 2-dimensional shape, which means flat shapes. And on the bottom, we have 3-dimensional shapes. So a sphere is kind of like a circle or a ball. A cube, cylinder, and a rectangular prism is kind of like a rectangle box. So go ahead and look around your house and find those shapes.